Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today's topic is going to be hair and how to keep it alive, or try to. People that know me know I dye my hair a different color all the time. This last weekend I dyed it pink, and I mean, it's a little bit dead. So I'm going to show you guys the kind of DIY hair masks that I use to try to keep it alive in between coloring. I'm already thinking I want to dye it red now. Again, that's always my go-to color. I always end up back at red every year, without a doubt. But I don't know, I'm at pink. I might add in another pink, well, like the same one, but just add another one where it got kind of lighter and whiter. And my roots are going out, so I might put like a little darker of a pink tip here at top. I don't know yet. But until I decide that, I'm going to show you guys how to make this hair mask that I love. I swear by it. If you do it at least once a week or every 2 weeks, that's good. Or if you use any other special hair products, that's cool too. But this next guy I want to talk about, very near and dear to me, literally put it on a pedestal, rice water. And the reason I put it on a pedestal is because this really helps add shine and promote hair growth. So this stuff is amazing. Don't ask where I got that. Anyways, so the way I make this is very simple. I mean, you literally just soak the rice in the water. If you want to speed up the process of how long it has to soak for, you don't really have time, go ahead and throw it on the stove on low with not that much rice. You don't need a whole bunch of rice. I found that out the hard way. But I like to put it on the stove because, one, you're going to drain it before all the water goes missing. And I like to mix it around a lot, so then the water turns really milky super fast. And the rest of the rice, I actually add more water and I eat it because, I don't know, I love steamed rice. It's delicious to me. So I want to show you guys this first before I added it in here. Beware of lids that come on and off, because I spilled this on my way in here. Yeah, got rid of some, but luckily I have enough of the rice water to make up for it if I can open it. So, goodbye little guy. So this stuff is actually, ooh, a whole bunch. It's actually really good to leave in your hair as long as you can. Obviously, you don't want to sleep in it with the ingredients that are in here. I mean, I have banana, and I'm sure that will just get weird overnight. Anything else, all the other stuff that's in here, you could totally sleep with overnight. So I'm going to show you guys how I made this and what ingredients I used. I don't ever really measure. I just eyeball it to how much I think I'll need for my hair. My hair is really not that long, but I do like to make sure it has a thick layer on it, just so that way I feel like everything's covered. Shown in the steps of the ingredients that I did, I like to add in this citrus smell in here just because it smells really good. So when I'm soaking it smells nice, and after I wash it out it smells good too. Disclaimer: do not rinse your hair with hot water after using this, because it has egg in it. Unless you want scrambled egg in your hair, it's not going to turn out good. Well, more like a poached egg, I guess, because the hot water. But yeah, don't do that. Use cold, not cold, lukewarm water. Besides, when you use hot water to start off washing your hair, it's good. It removes the debris all the oil build up. But at the end of your shower, you do want to rinse your hair with cool water. It closes up the cuticle and just gonna make your hair feel a lot better. And if you have colored hair, helps keep in the color, obviously. So, alright, I'm gonna put this in my hair and hope that I don't get too dirty. I'm gonna put a sheet over me so I don't get my favorite pants dirty. Should I take off some rings? I think I should take off some rings. I'm gonna take off some rings. They're new. I don't want to get them all nasty. So, now I'm gonna let my monster of a hair down. Don't judge me. I have had it up all day and it's probably gonna look crazy. Didn't really want to take it down though. I thought it looked kind of cute. Of course, because it was not this. Okay, my wild, crazy hair. Okay, let's see the other side. Oh, it's so tangled. So, all the stuff I have in here is really good to help your hair get shiny, not tangled. My hair is really not that bad. I bleached the top twice, and I bleached the back once because my colors were a little uneven from when I did it. And I used the L'Oreal High Lift bleach. It's in a yellow and white and black tub. I did not think it was going to get my hair as white as it did, but it turned my hair. So, highly recommend that if you're going to use it. Don't get hot roots because no one likes hot roots. And yeah, it's going to make my hair a lot better. So you're going to leave this on for about, as long as you can, really. It's nighttime now, so I'm going to put this in, eat, and then probably go take a shower and rinse it out. I might hang out for a little bit, but I'm going to probably leave it in for about an hour, maybe 2 hours. And then go rinse it out, hot water, finish with cool water. I'm stalling because it's cold in here. And this stuff is cold because I had it in the fridge, and I don't want to put it in my hair because I'm chilly. Okay, I'm just going to go in for it. Just going to get in there. I'm doing it. Alright, let's go. Okay, so you want to soak your hair as much as you can. Yeah, you know what? Let's just go for it. Burp. Oh yeah. So I did want to mention my makeup. I had said in my previous video that I don't really like using a full face of makeup ever because, I don't know, I just too lazy and never really did it. But now that I had the primer, I actually tried on a full face of makeup, and I have to say that no problem primer, it really made a difference on the reasons why I never did it is because, I don't know, I felt like you could see my skin look uneven, and I didn't like it. I feel like it never went on smooth. I'm not much of a makeup person, so I never tried primer, and then when I finally tried it, I loved it. Okay, so I'm just going to have that bottom dipped right now. I'm going to go back to the top, but it's just really cold. Okay, let's go, let's go. Dip, dip, dip. I am making a mess, just to let you know, so be prepared to do this somewhere where it's okay to get a little bit messy. I'm fine to get this messy, but it's a cleanup. I feel like I have smoothie in my hair. So one of the other things in here is, besides the rice water, which I thought was really important, is banana. The reason I put banana in here, I know it sounds so weird, but it's super rich in potassium and carbohydrates, and that will help soften your hair overall and get it super, super soft and not look so damaged. And those are the main two that I thought were really important. The other stuff, all the oils, those are equally important, but a lot of people will put any oils in their hair because they think they're good for their hair, which most of them are. So these were the main two that I thought needed some explaining on why I did that. But also the rice water, if you make it, you don't have to put it in a mask like this. You can get it and just literally do like a hair rinse with it, soak your hair in it for a little bit by itself, and go take a shower with that, and your hair will also come out very nice. But I just want to show you one of the masks that I do. Alright, so my hair is fully coated in this stuff. Feels really slimy, not gonna lie, but I'm already used to it and I don't mind it. So now you're gonna let it sit in your hair. You're just gonna go inside, you're gonna look crazy, and you're gonna let it sit in your hair for as long as you can. Go eat something. I'm eating tacos. And if you have leftover like I do, because I make a lot, when you go in the shower, just go ahead and pour that over it, let it sit and soak a little bit longer while you wash your body, do whatever else you're going to do in there, and pour the rest of this in your hair, let it sit, wash it out. Cold water, cool water, anything but hot water to start with, and then once you get it out of your hair, then you can use your hot water. I recommend switching back to cool water. It's going to make your hair a lot softer and less frizzy at the end after your hair dries. Yes, I know, it sounds horrible to get out of the shower on a cold note, but it will be beneficial. So I will show you guys what it looks like whenever it's done sitting. I've dried it, styled it, gotten ready. I'll see you guys back in a little. Hey guys, so these are the final results. My hair has life to it. It's a little bit more bouncy now. Before it wasn't bouncy at all, and these hairs were sticking straight up. Now it's not going to be perfect the first time, but after doing this they're still sticking up. After about 3 or 4 times, your hair should take a noticeable difference, and just keep using the rice water, aloe, and blend it up. Put that as a mask in your hair. Down below, I'm going to list a couple more recipes I like to use. If you have any oils, focus them on the tips of your hair. Coconut oil on your whole head is great. Just make sure you're not going anywhere because your hair will be greasy. But yeah, just do that a couple times and your hair is going to start getting a lot softer. I'm happy. This is my first time I've done anything since I dyed my hair, so to actually have some life in it is nice. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you could like, comment, subscribe, share it with all of your friends, that would be great. Thank you. See you guys in the next video.